Sara Carnes, Pristine Clean can help extend the life of your roof through cleaning or renewal. Owner Ken Wilson is here to share more. Thank you so much, Ken, for stopping by.
Thanks for having me. This is it's fun.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, so from what I understand, there's a shift in the roofing industry focusing more on maintenance. Tell me about this.
Yeah, beyond just the idea that shingles and different building materials are just not made the way they used to be and they need more maintenance, there's a shift even from the proactive side with the insurance companies, and we're seeing a lot of our customers that are having these notices that like they're going to get canceled, or the insurance agency's like, hey, you better mitigate this problem, or we're going to have to raise your rates or whatever. So we're seeing that paradigm shift in the industry, and obviously we can help with that.
Yeah. So tell me the difference between roof renewal and roof cleaning.
Yeah. So roof cleaning is something we do. Gloeocapsa magma. That's a mouthful. That's that black stuff that you see on the roof, and that's a photosynthesizing bacteria that's literally eating the limestone filler in your shingles. And so we can clean that off and just extend the life of your shingles. Another thing that we can do is the roof renew, which is where we can inject oil back into the roof to extend the life of it. So there's a maintenance side of it, and then there's a protection side of it, and that's what we can do.
So when do you do either one? How do you know?
We do both. A lot of times we'll do both because you want to get rid of the black streaks. That bacteria, it's like eating like a buffet in your roof, right? It's eating the limestone, which used to not be there. They used to have more petroleum, but now the shingles just aren't made that way any longer. And so that's got to be done. But then the oils get lost out as well. And so we put that back in through our soil oil infusion. So
tell me about the discount that you have.
Yeah, 10% off right now. That's just being able to get booked up, especially earlier in the year. That's a good discount to just help the consumer.
Well, thank you so much for stopping by. You can go on their website, pristineclean.com, to learn more.